Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will quickly explain you what is Azure Resources, Resources Group, Subscription and Management Group. Let me quickly give you the hierarchy of the Microsoft Azure Resources. Your resources is going to be the lowest entity in the Azure Resources. Your resources can be virtual machines, Azure App Services, API management, Azure functions, etc. Okay, and you can group all these resources into a resource group. So you can have multiple resources group based on the technology or based on the product. It's up to you how you wanted to group based on the need. And then the subscriptions. Your resources group should be tied to subscription at the time of creating your resources. So your subscriptions will help you to tell how much of resources is being utilized for the period of time. Based on the utilization, you need to pay as per the usage of your resources in the Microsoft Azure. And finally, the management group. Management group help you to govern or implement policies, okay, which basically you can apply security policies at the management group. Once you put your security policies at the management group, it will be inherited from subscription to your resources. Okay, so but this is the simplest hierarchy which can be useful for you to implement like blog or any local application that you wanted to learn and implement. In that case, then this simple hierarchy can help you. But I wanted to show you how you can redesign this hierarchy in a better way. Okay, so let me quickly show you. I am going to have a root user group. That root user group can be divided into 2 or more subgroups. Okay, here in this example, I'm going to use 2 groups as prod and pre-prod. So that means I can have different policy, role-based access policy for production, and for non-production, I can have different policies. And then here, let's assume that you have multiple product and each product team wanted to maintain the financial based on the use. So your project manager in their product wanted to know how much they utilize for their product, and based on that utilization they need to maintain that financial to the respective product. So then you need to, okay, there is one more thing. You can also apply your policies to the subscription level also. Your policies or security policies or anything that can be applied at the each level. Okay, so now I am having a subscription at the product level. Okay, so if you look at the previous model, all the resources I tie to just to the single resources group. But if it is a simple application, then it is fine. But if you have like hundreds of products running on in your organization, then it is very hard for you to maintain and manage. So here I'm going to have 3 different resources group for the 2 product A and B. Okay, in product A, I'm having 1 resource group. In product B, I'm having 2 resource group. Likewise, I'm going to have the same thing for production and pre-prod. And I'm restructuring the resources and mapping that resources to the respective resources group, like something like this, where your VM, virtual machines and API management and your app services tied to one resource group, and another resource group like your database and virtual machines I tie to product B. And finally, I have the Azure function app that is tied to another resources group in product B. I hope you understand the need for management group, subscriptions, resource group and resources. So if you like this video, please like it and subscribe it. Thank you.